Meanwhile, Metro Manila policemen will again have their firearm muzzles taped. This is to prevent them from indiscriminately firing their guns to greet the new year. Meanwhile, the PNP says it is ready to implement a ban on firecrackers and other pyrotechnics if such move is ordered. The Department of Health is considering recommending a partial or total ban on firecrackers if fireworks-related injuries will continue to rise. Alvin Baltazar tells us more.
Several matters must be considered in connection with proposals to implement a total ban on firecrackers. The reaction was made by the PNP amid the Health Department's plan to recommend the implementation of the total ban on pyrotechnics purposely to put an end in the increasing cases of firecracker-related injuries. According to PNP spokesman Chief Superintendent Generoso Serbo, health is not the sole issue on the subject matter, but authorities also should look into other aspects of the concern.
Kasi maraming factors din na dapat i-considera, di ba, sa mga bagay na yan. Hindi lang naman yung issue ng health. May mga issue rin dyan ng livelihood, economics, then kultura.
But Serbo stressed that they are not in favor nor disagree with such possibility and that they will just implement whatever would be agreed upon.
Hindi naman natin sinasabing hindi tayo umayon o umangayon tayo. But the Philippine National Police will of course respect kung ano man ang magiging wisdom ng ating mga sa punto na yan.
Meanwhile, before the end of 2012, the NCR Police Office is set to perform the muzzling of firearms of their personnel. NCRPO Chief Police Director Leonardo Espina said that they wanted to ensure that none of their men would engage in indiscriminate firing during the New Year revelry. Espina's warning, anyone who will be engaged in indiscriminate firing will be punished or be jailed.
Mahigpit, may pinagbabawal yan sapagkat ang balang ipinaputok sa ere, bababat bababayan at may tatamaan. Lahat po na magkakaroon ng lalabag dito, amin pong aarestuhin at ikukulong.
The muzzling will be performed this coming Saturday, December 29 at the NCRPO grounds in Bicol, Taguig. For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.